Well, here we go again. This is the alternator bracket. And while I was putting on a new alternator yesterday, I tightened the bolt. And these two pieces checked out. It's kind of neat if you don't know how threads work. If I could get it to focus. Focus. I don't know why it won't focus, man. Focus right there. Right there. There we go. You can see how those threads. This is like a cutaway view. And see, that's how threads work. Thought that was kind of cool. So, I'm gonna weld it back together. This is a 2-part epoxy. I just put one part down, and then put the other part down, and now you gotta mix it up. So I usually use a screwdriver like that. So what I've done is make a notch all the way through this, like that. Now I'm gonna put the pieces. Alright. Glued them in. Glue's still wet. Starting to put the clamp on. That's why that notch is there. I don't have much clearance on the back, so I don't want the JB weld to get on these threads because I want the bolt to be able to come out eventually. So I think that's probably good for now. Let the JB weld harden up. So I'm gonna put some substance on here. It's actually lotion. That way the JB weld won't fuse to this. And then just to secure it, once it's on the car, this we're gonna have a nut on here too. Crazy nut. Once that's all, back on the car. So let's take a look at this contraption. You can see the hose clamp conformed pretty good. And the theory is, I'm not relying 100% on the hose clamp. And then this gap, I might put some JB weld in there just for fun. Alright, thanks for watching.